This is the tutorial for the chainless double crochet from the pattern for the Rainier Beanie. First thing you're going to do is hold onto that loop really tight with your forefinger and pull it up tall for the height of our stitch. And then you twist your hook to the front and around. And now you have the two loops on your hook. And then you insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. So now you have three. And now you yarn over and pull through the first loop and behind the loop from your twisting, and then pull through two. And that's our chainless double crochet. And now you can double crochet in the round until we reach the end. Okay, we've reached the end, so now we're going to slip stitch under the first double crochet we made with the chainless double crochet, and that's the end of that round. So now we're going to pull up again one more time, holding that loop nice and tight, twist around, put your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, and there is your second chainless double crochet. And then we go back around. And as we near the end of this round, you're going to look at the top of that first chainless double crochet and see the top of that stitch, and put your hook in and slip stitch to finish your round. And that's how you make a seamless double crochet round.